Ready to travel in style? Let's unbox this Urecity Vintage style suitcase. A ver qué tal. Mira qué hermoso. I love the vintage look. I really like it. Check it out. I love the colors. Look at this. I love it. Look at how easy it just slides. I really like it, and check it out. The lock. Let's open it and see what's inside. Check this out. You just voila. Look at inside. Look at how much space it has. Check it out. Look at this. Super stylish. Check this one out. Super cute. Carry on. Look at this. Look how it just slides. I love the vintage look. How cute. They have different colors. I really like this. It's a great gift. Now, let's see what's inside this one. Check this out. Super cute carry-on. Look at this. I love it. Super fancy. Very elegant. Goes with anybody. Check it out. And look at this. How cute. I love it. Look at this. Same thing right here. Can lock it. Voila. Super cute. Look at this. It has some straps. Here's for the password codes. Check it out. I'm ready to travel in style.
This 12-inch train case is so chic. Me encanta. Lightweight with a handy strap and that vintage vibe. And it's part of a full 3-piece set. Perfect for any trip. You get the 12-inch, 20-inch, and the 26-inch. All light, durable, and oh, so stylish. I love it.